Hi everyone, I'm Naser, a VFX artist and game developer. In this video, we are going to talk about bird flocking simulation in Unreal Engine. I already made a video about this project, but since then I have made a lot of improvements. Today, I'd like to show you what I have been working on. Before we jump into Unreal Engine, I want to show you something first. I have already prepared the birds models. And right now we have two crowds, black crowd and this is a white crowd. They are currently being rigged and animated by another team because character rigging and animation aren't my area of experience. At the moment, I don't have any animation file yet. I want to finish the bird flocking simulation first so I could better understand exactly what animation I need. Once I had the figure out, I could give clear instruction to the rigging and animation team about what they should create. They are currently working on that part, but for now I don't have any animation files yet. All right, let's jump into Unreal Engine. So at this stage, I'm deciding how I want to present the project in different scenarios. The scenario you are seeing here is the collision. This means the birds react to environment. Before they reach an object, they detect and change their path. For example, let's move it here. Yeah, everything is everything happen in real time. And so, as you can see, I have a few more example here. So let's go through them one by one. I've tried to recreate as many bird behavior as I have seen in different games or movie. For example, in this scenario, these birds are sitting on the ground. When I get close to them, they become scared and fly away. To make this work, I create blueprint in blueprint tab. I create a blueprint called fear and attach it to the player character or anything else. Let's start game from from here. And as you can see, as soon as I get close, the bird start flying away. And if I move back, they have returned and landing. Yeah. I have also tried to expose as many setting. Let me select the blueprint. Yeah. I've tried to expose as many settings as possible in the single blueprint so that it's easy to tweak the parameters for different situation. For example, here in the landing tab, yeah, we have landing tab here. I have this option, landing percent. Right now it's set to 100 of it means 100 of the birds land on the ground. And also because I want to add the bats later, I define two surface here on the ground and roof. And but for now, let's change 100 to 18%. As you can see, some of the birds flying above the ground and 100 of the total birds landing on the ground. All right, let's move on the next one. This is my favorite, the bird sitting on the tree. As you can see, we can define the surface where the bird will land. In the previous scenario, they were landing on the ground, but in this one, they're landing on the tree. One important setting is here in the landing tab is uh, this perch upright amount. Uh, so I adjust the landing angle so the bird land almost vertically, which is works much better for the tree trunks and branches. Now let's increase the number of the birds in the spawn bird. Let's make 200 birds. Yeah, and let's set in landing time. Let's set 50%. Only 50% of the bird should land on the tree, and the rest should keep flying. Yeah. Let's go to the next section. Yeah, we have a vortex bird simulation, and in this scenario we have leaders. This means we can define leaders for the bird and tell them to follow those leaders. This one of the future I really want to build. As you can see here, we have two leaders here and here, and I create something called a spline, and each spline has a target, and that move along the spline at the specific speed. You can change the speed or anything else. The bird can detect these targets and use them as their leaders. Now when I press to play, sorry, play like that. Yeah. As you can see, some of the birds start following their own leaders. Once the animations are ready, I think this will be look much better. I should mention that right now we have two crew variation. Let's yeah we have two crew variation, and one black and one white, and both of them we can choose between them, or we can use both at the same time. As you can see, all of the birds are white. Or let me change it to black. Now let's talk a little bit about the Niagara. Here, most of the work is done in the Niagara system inside the particle update. Yeah, we have a lot of module here, and for example, thing like boundary, ground behavior. We have a ground behavior here, and here upscale detection. Part of the upscale detection happen here in collision, and another part use the collision data so the bird can detect upscale earlier and change the detection, change the direction sooner. I'm also use a grade 3D. Yeah, we have a grade 3D here, and so each bird can detect its nearly neighbors. This help them avoid getting too close to each other. It also helps each bird understand the overall movement of the flock and trying to match the direction with the bird around them. All of these behavior are setting up here, and yeah, also we have a lot of module, Niagara module here. Yeah. And all these behavior are set up here, and the main parameters are exposed inside the blueprint. You can change them and see what's happening. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, and goodbye.